Gluing up a puzzle is a great way to preserve it, but what I didn't know is that you can also do it without any backing material. The first thing you need is some oven paper. Put it underneath the puzzle so that it doesn't get glued to the table. Just gently slide it underneath and make sure the pieces overlap. Then make sure your puzzle is nice and flat. You can buy special puzzle glue, but a basic decoupage glue will do the trick just fine. You could even use just plain old PVA glue, but that's a bit thicker and therefore a bit harder to spread. Apply the glue in sections so that you have plenty of time to spread it properly before it begins to dry. Lay down a bunch of glue, spread it around with a piece of cardboard or plastic, and then add more. Make sure you cover the entire puzzle and fill all the little gaps between the pieces. That really helps give it strength. After 10 minutes or so, when the glue has started to dry, come back and push down any parts that were sticking up. When the glue is fully dried, you can carefully pick the puzzle up and turn it over. It's not very strong yet, so we'll be adding a few more layers of glue. Repeat the process of applying the glue in sections on the back. The surface on this side might not be completely even, but we know that the front is even, and that's most important. When the glue on the back is dry, the puzzle is already a lot sturdier. But we want this to last, so we'll add another round of glue. Another layer on the front. And another layer on the back. And with that extra strength, the puzzle really is a single piece now, and you can go ahead and hang it on the wall. I really like the result of this technique, where the puzzle seems to be magically held together. It's also a lot lighter than when you use a backer board. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.